Hey guys, so this video is just a little highlight reel of a run I did a couple of days ago. It's a highlight reel with no time lapse because I use this chest. Jesus Christ, I just pulled all the cords off my desk. I use this chest strap and pretty much I got motion sickness just trying to edit the video down. So I don't want to put you guys through that. So yeah. I am instead using a head strap and making myself look like a complete and utter moron whenever I go out. Yeah. But yeah, so this is just a quick little 4-minute clip because there were a couple of interesting and unusual things that happened on this particular run. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoy and yeah, stay tuned for more. Alright. Oh jeez, I can tell I'm gonna have to do a lot of tree clearing on this fucking run. Whatever, I've already had to clear off 2 branches before I started recording, and if that's what's greeting me here, I bet it's gonna get real interesting soon. So yeah, something tells me I'm gonna get my weightlifting in as well. All right, let's see if I can do anything about this. Oh, it does look a little heavy. All right.
So I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to...
Well, at least now, after doing that, I get a little bit of credit. Fuck me. All right. Whew. Bloody hell. New South Wales government, you fucking see that? I'm expecting my paycheck in the mail soon. Fuck me. And the waterfall is actually falling. Done. Oh boy. Oh yeah. This is gonna be the best fall I've ever seen on this bad boy. Fuck yeah. Stick. Let me send you on your way for your journey. I'll give you a shortcut. This is a good stick. I like this stick. Good thwacking stick. Whoa! Oh, black cockatoos! Bloody hell, that's a highlight right there. Holy shit! What's up? Damn, they're big. Oh, that's awesome. Huh? Whoa! All you fucking birders out there jealous of me right now. Woo-hoo. God damn! Holy shit, that was awesome. Whoa!